Hey, this is Jeff at Miller's RV, and I'm here to answer a question some people are asking. Is it okay for me to dump gray water on the ground? Hey, before I answer your question, will you please do me a favor? Like, subscribe, click the notification bell so you know new content that comes out. And also, please comment below any questions you would like us to answer for you. We often hear back from people that they had questions no one else would answer. If you have a question, we will answer it. Put it down below. So, back to the question. Can I dump the gray water on the ground? It is a state-by-state answer, so it is a little different from state to state. But I can clearly say in Louisiana the answer is no, and in most states the answer is no. Now, you might be saying, why not? Because it's just gray water. It's just water from your sink or shower or not from your toilet. Well, those things still contain chemicals. They can also contain food particles and stuff like that. They can affect the waterways. It can actually attract animals and stuff like that. So the states don't allow it. Now, Louisiana, where we have such an amount of water that comes through and there's so much surface water and the water is so close to the surface that dumping chemicals even from soaps and stuff like that onto the ground can actually affect water downstream. So that's one reason it's not allowed. So you still have to dump your gray water into a septic system or into a sewer treatment system, whether it's a city system or a private septic system. It still has to be treated just like regular water. So unfortunately, you can't dump it on the ground. Now that brings a question a lot of people also ask is, can I dump my RV toilet, can I dump my sewer system into a septic tank I have at my house? Well, again, it'll depend on the chemicals you're using. If you're using a chemical that is a formaldehyde-based chemical, then you definitely can harm your septic system. Would not recommend it. All the chemicals we sell do have on there RV septic or septic system safe, so you can dump those into your regular septic system or into your city sewer, and you're not going to harm any of the biomaterials that are going into those systems to make them work. So again, can't dump gray water on the ground. Can't dump black water on the ground, just to be clear about that one too. Do use a septic system just to keep yourself from getting fines and also to protect our environment. This is Jeff Hilliard at Miller's RV, answering the questions to help you enjoy the journey.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the journey.